but Muller has stormed away. Collard into fourth, but he's made contact with Eves. Eves and Collard side by side, rubbing door handles, and Collard loses out.
Oh, and James Kay's been turned into a spin. Hopefully no one collects him. Well, that could have been very dangerous.
It's Ivan Muller with the early advantage. Look at Plato. Plato on the inside, and the Sayano, he's hit Turkington, I think, and off goes the Vauxhall. Colin Turkington is on the grass. Can he keep it off the tyres? Oh, he's skating on the grass. The inside, I think he's going to try and take second. Rob Collard coming around the outside in the MG. Oh, and a big slide there. Almost off, and off goes Luke Hines.
We've seen some side-by-side racing.
Oh, the leaders!
Look.
The leaders!
There's Matt Neal going for his favourite overtaking place. Muller was
to hold off, not just Muller, but James Kay. This Honda of James Kay. Oh, he's sideways, his Kay. He could be off. He's on the grass. Takes the Dunlop banner with him. And Jason Plato now looking for the inside line into the chicane. Oh, he hits Muller. He's turned him sideways. Muller's still got his foot in. Oh, wonderful control. Now Plato nudges Muller there, you see. Look how sideways Muller is. He's completely broadside, and he still gets it turned into the chicane. And it's Luke Hines who has made the best start and leads as they come into the complex. Contact there, and Kay's off, I think. Oh no, it's one of the Vauxhalls that's off, and Chilton's in trouble. He's on the grass as well, and so's Turkington.
Oh, that was a great lie.
Oh no, it's all gone wrong this time. Collard does manage to gather it back together.
What is he doing?
That's Hines,
That's
I think.
Hines.
And Pickford trying to get past. Luke Hines, Jason. Oh, and there's a spin. That's Smith, Gavin Smith in the Vauxhall.
Oh, he's almost missed a gear there. It seems like he's dropped back a little bit. Oh, he's gone wide.
Oh,
it's in the gravel.
Dan Eves makes a big mistake. The championship leader is off into the gravel.
And then he breaks very late over the bump and just locks up and goes straight. Nearly collects Turkington as well.
And Plato through, and Collard's hit Turkington. That was quite a hefty swipe. No chance for Colin there, and he's into the tyres.
Well, that was Collard. Oh, we've got two cars off as well, two Seats. Watch Collard though, he's trying to sneak inside as well. When Turkington moves across, there's inevitably contact, and right behind, really as a result of the contact in front, no blame there that you could enforce. A fantastic second place, but everyone behind him. Oh, Plato's hit him!
It's sideways right in front of Plato. What's happening around Plato though? Plato's sold second. Collard trying to go around the outside of James Pickford through Paddock-Hill Bend. Sideways goes Collard. Oh, he hits the gravel. He gets it straight. He loses it. He's out of the race. Buried into the gravel trap. And Rob Collard is out. Pickford didn't expect that, and he just got caught out. Oh, he just sideways. He's hit him out there, and he's going to hit the barrier surely, or does he keep it off? Just touches the barrier, not that hard in the end. On board with Plato. Here, this is where Eves might have a look on the inside. Contact! Oh, they've hit each other. Eves just taps the back of Pickford, and he's through. Closing up with them as well. They're still together. Matt Neal takes it. Oh, and Muller's hit Plato. Muller has hit Plato. And Jason Plato a bit wide there from Smith. Chance. Oh no! Teammates hit each other. Turkington and Smith now.
If you look here, Turkington's gone wide. He's cut inside. He has an overlap now. And watch. I mean, well, the contact happened very quickly. I have to say, it's.
And then the contact is made, and round goes Smith. And when you look, there's just no choice. Plato has outbraked himself, and that means Collard has just taken the lead. And Williams spins out, might have had a tap from somebody.
Stop the car. He was trying everything. His little cadence braking. Oh, there's contact between Turkington and Smith. Well,
again.
That's Smith getting his own. This is through the Jim Clark S's going down towards Barcroft. Very fast part of the track, 125 miles an hour, braking. Oh, and he's just got all the way wide. Oh no, he's got not going to scrub off any. Oh, that is a big shunt.
Now the safety car is on circuit. This will neutralise the race, of course. We right on board. Oh, and there's contact. Matt Neal's been squeezed out by Jason Plato. Plato's through.
A better look at it. Matt is wide. Matt was wide, actually. Matt didn't defend the inside hard enough. Left the gap for Plato. Plato had to go for it. That was actually Jason defending, but now he's attacking. Turkington's having none of it.
Oh, this is
Plato could actually lose out to Dan Eves. He needs to try. He goes back inside. Oh, there's a lot of pushing and shoving.
Oh, this is physical racing, isn't it? Plato and Turkington trading more than just paint. And now look at Dan Eves. Eves alongside. There's not space here for 2 cars, surely. They got through there. That's great. Oh, no! Both on the grass. Eves and Plato. Oh, no, it's all gone wrong for both of them.
Here we go. It's anybody's call. Somebody's got to give. Dan's up the inside, but Jason, they both go in. I thought it was okay, but their momentum just takes them out. Oh, no. Well, Dan will be livid. Jason lost out himself. Well, he hasn't got it. Oh, no!
That's tricky.
Smith brought back, and Matt just put him out on the marbles, and Plato's being very aggressive. That was a good late lunge. Collard left the door open. We've seen, and they're pushing and shoving. This isn't over yet.
It's all gone on Plato, very sideways. Collard goes through, and Plato recovers. Well, there was a bit of retaliation going on.
Yeah, I've got to say that Jason Plato now this is getting out of order, but Plato almost deserved it. That's Pickford putting Collard out, and now Plato's back in front.
Plato's taken advantage of that. He nipped through on the inside. It was all started with a tiny mistake from Luke Hines, and now here, Hines is off. Hines into the gravel. He was held there by James Kay. It has all got a bit tight through the chicane. Maybe he's got some damage on that car, because you wouldn't have expected him to... Oh, contact! Oh, Plato's tapped the back of Eves, and now Matt Neal's got the inside. Matt Neal may well have got past Jason Plato. Oh, they're off! They're off! Would you believe it? They're all off down there at turn 7. Fiona Leggett got very sideways, but I think got through Sis. Oh, we've got off. Plato is off. Hines is off rather, sorry. Plato's still there. That's looking back on board with Rob Collard right behind. Oh, and it was right behind him was Plato and Hines were together. Driver's going to have a go. Oh, and off's gone. Fiona Leggett ending up in the field on the outside at Riches.
Going into the corner, she just loses it on cold tyres herself. She was defending the inside.
Yeah, Matt Neal had a great chance then, because Eves really got held up. Eves having a think about it. Oh, he's hit Hines. So Dan Eves taps the back of Luke Hines on the turn into the S's. Hines will try and rejoin. I hope he can do that without taking anybody with him. And he turns in. Oh, just makes it through. And now Hal might lose second.
Oh, he's been turned around by Turkington, his ex-teammate. Oh, no, don't hit the wall. Oh, that's a really cruel blow for Gareth.
Welcome back to touring cars, Gareth. And let's just take another look.
Well, Gareth pinched across the inside a little bit. Turkington went across the curb, but there just wasn't room for 2 cars.
And now, after having a comfortable lead, he finds himself back in second place. Almost pushing him, he is. Neal's off in the gravel, and Muller's back through.
Not a huge amount of money, so they're... I think Curley's lost it. On the exit of the chicane, Williams comes through the chicane unsighted. Oh, and the car's just cut. That is disaster. Nobody's fault at all, but what a shame for the team. Oh, and is that Neal?
No, it's
Eves. Eves is out. Well, the safety car's out anyway. They were still racing, as I was saying. That looks like Kay. To get through, Muller's being ultra defensive, even though the car's running on 3 cylinders. I knew that was going to happen. I couldn't believe it.
What's going to happen here? Matt Neal's off, surely. Oh, they're fighting, but there's Howell sideways with Plato, and it's Plato who's off now. Matt Neal's got back through.
The way he's driving, that was awful. I was lucky to get out of it, which makes it even sweeter, to come back with a podium. I was only just managed by pure luck.
The 2 leaders just ahead. Jason Plato moving to the inside. Look how he's all... Oh, they made contact on the straight, and Chilton's backwards on the straight. Would you believe it?
He's trying to get up the inside. He's got a little bit of extra speed on him, a little bit of extra speed. Contact made there, and it's at an angle, and that just turns the car. And, well, Chilton was a passenger. Oh, Pickford's off.
Yeah, Pickford, and that's with his own teammate. What was going on there? Oh, Pickford actually, they didn't make contact. I thought there'd been contact between him and Hines, but no, that was Pickford's mistake. And Matt Neal's on the inside, and he's taken 4th place. Matt Neal comes from nowhere, but he gets a bit of a clout from Luke Hines. More contact, would you believe it? And Matt Neal busily trying to sort all this out. He's trying to drive for the championship, and now he's been there. Oh, now he's been knocked off. He's been knocked off. He just stays out of the wall, but Matt Neal has got to get back on. He's had no non-finishes at all this year.
Perfectly for Matt Neal. This is the end of it with Collard up behind him, pushing him wide. Collard had got slightly up the inside in Luffield, but just kept pushing, and round he went.
He does not want to get hit. Jason Plato has a look down the inside into Paddock Gilbert. They're side by side. Collard's off. Collard's off behind them. them, and I think Jason Plato has taken Matt Neal on the approach to Druid.
This is on the approach. Well, we're on board with Collard, and he's going for the apex, and there's a tap from the rear three-quarter. Of your screen, not at the pass Plato's making. Well, yeah, difficult to see really, because we couldn't see the braking area for that one.
To the first corner, but Dan Eaves is right with him. He leans on him. They're side by side. A big slide from Ivan Muller. They're in, okay, but Turkington's not. Look at the leaders together, close as well. Dan Eaves was very close. Nice touch! My goodness! Pickford has the inside line. Howell goes for a late lunge down the inside. Oh, there's contact. Pickford's off, and Howell is through, is at the back of that group as well, so watch out for him. He's trying to go down the inside. Oh, there's contact, he's hit! That was Muller who hit Eaves, the two who were battling for the second place in the championship. Oh, what a shame. A big accident into Paddock Hill Bend. It's involved several cars, and it all got a bit too fraught.
Comes up behind, suddenly finds everyone on their brakes, taps into the back of Eaves, and bang, in a split second, all three cars are out.